That's my little steady thing here.
That's so dope. I like that.
Oh man, keep everything. Oh.
Damn, that's crazy.
Say, man, don't be putting my car on there.
Yeah, I got this on there, y'all. Y'all check it out. Okay, they said we need your IG again. It's like 3 of them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Modern photography and then the underscore at the end.
The underscore at the end.
Yeah.
See, I told you, Team Thundercock, he already on it.
Look, hold on, where is it?
They said it's 3 of them.
Oh my God.
Okay, her say 8 posts, 148 followers, and it say Canon EOS 80D. Ain't that a good camera? Okay, he just followed you.
Okay.
He said he got you.
Nice.
Some more people coming in a minute.
Yes, sir.
They coming in. They going in. They going in. They going in. So wait, well, check this out. We got these cars here, little Holden SS. Okay. Got the little Malibu right there with the tail on it. Twisted Soul posted a little IG. Anybody feeling like they got a chance, get you some photography done, got some time or something, get you a picture. She only got 8 pictures. She said she just started. They ain't turn the fan on.
Oh, fuck. Hey, man, I need some help, man. I was trying to do it all by myself. Damn!
He said, damn! Yeah, it was. It ain't hot that goddamn. What the temp at, goddamn?
It's been running the whole time. See, man, we get her, man. Y'all help me out just a little bit more.
Yeah, just he need a little bit more help, man.
You shut off and drove off.
Yeah.
I know y'all start talking
Yeah,
to
sometimes you get anxious, man. You know how this.
We need to get up here and make a plan.
You know how I get with it. You know how I get. What's up with it, Chief? We ain't blaming nobody. We all get anxious, and we need more help than we think. That's all. Help me, please. Help me, please.
Help me. I left a tech card in the car. Sam had to go back and get that. What's up?
He left the tip card. You know, Tracy ain't just, he got to get the routine down, man. He got to let him get his practice in. You know, this ain't no every week thing for Tracy, man. This a once every 2 months. He gonna forget some things. Y'all make sure y'all check his tire pressure and all that's ready. All that's ready. What's up, Chief? What's up? Tell me something.
Hey, man.
You wanna?
I'm so proud of you, man.
Yeah.
Hey, man, look here, man.
What happened?
You're doing good, man.
You think so?
Yeah, man. Just hold on, Chief.
You think so?
Say, man, look, man. Cause you know what?
What?
Hey, man, your personality.
Yeah.
You're a good people person.
Yeah.
See, you the type of dude, man, that can go international.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because you can go in with anybody and you fit right in.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to tell you, man. I wanted to call you and tell you.
Yeah.
Because I've been seeing you, and you be out in different parts of town, states and shit.
Yeah.
They say, man, you be with them people, man, and you just be like you grew up around. So.
Yeah. He said like you grew up around.
Yeah. So man, just keep it up, man.
Yeah.
And keep nudging, man. Hey, man, something good gonna happen to you, man.
Yeah.
And I'm praying it for you, man.
Yeah.
You know you're my partner. You know that, man. I love you like your brother, man. So just hang in there, man. Hang in there, man.
I'm in there.
Because, hey, you got what they call it, you know, like football and all that. They call it the X Factor and all that shit.
Yeah, what is
Yeah, you got it. So this motherfucker sound good on too.
Yeah. He ain't messed up now. He just need to cut the fan on. Well, he probably needs some little water now, though. peak the steering wheel.
Hey, Quinn, you don't think somebody got some water up here? Why get some water?
Probably the bathroom.
Oh, with a jug. The jug or something. They got no time.
I think it'd be one hanging out the side of one of these buildings or something, man. Damn, where to get that water from? I think it's up here somewhere. I ain't for sure. We can ask Galen. Y'all.
Oh, I want to wait till I get the water before I pull it out. Hey, Quinn.
Huh?
I know you're busy.
Yeah.
You mind watching the film?
Yeah, I got you.
Well, you got it in for now.
What you think? What you think, Flying Low?
Man, this motherfucker sounds mean than a motherfucker.
It do?
Yeah,
They like go build a little car.
Yeah, he talking about he wrinkling that slick up. Yeah, he talking about he wrinkling that slick.
Oh, man. They got all that little stock shit up under there, man.
Yeah.
You know, socks and all that shit. All
Yeah.
that stock. The old Blackjack rolling pretty good, too.
Yeah, he said he gonna whoop Tracy. Yeah.
Y'all gonna have to come on with it. This
Yeah.
sound good though, but it's gonna have to do some running too.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to do more than that. Okay.
I'm on the bed with them.
Hey, you gonna stay here with the car, Chief?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check on him. Alright, G Warrior, 1971 is this year. That was the year he had kids, maybe. Or, nah, that was he born, y'all, or something. 71, yeah. I can't imagine, you ain't that old. Ooh, it's cold out here. I don't like 49. They say time go back tomorrow, y'all. Time gonna change tomorrow. I'm finna go get me a drink before they close. Okay.